Hey friends, if you can't open ASIO3 Sys Error on ASUS Computers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, update all drivers, and the best way to do so is by performing Windows update, which will install all optional updates too. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options and select optional updates. Now check whatever button you have, whether it's a driver update or any other update, just install it. Click on download and install. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to uninstall recently installed software products. And how will you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane and then you'll find newly installed software products here. Simply click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall. Okay, if you don't find them, just select this by date installed and then you can try uninstalling them. Okay. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /f space /r and hit enter. Now once the prompt has populated, press Y and hit enter once again. So this will start checking the disk. The last solution is a memory diagnostic test. And how will you do that? Search for memory diagnostic in the Windows search bar and open Windows memory diagnostic. Click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.